Good evening, folks, and welcome to Data Rains. I'm Sunny Garcia, joined tonight by our signal-slinging storm whisperer, Chip Radar.
Thanks, Sunny. For today's forecast, the outlook is sunny with very strong AUCs today. Ansys has a high AUC of 96 and a forecast positive direction of 94%, followed by a forecast of 92 for Verizon, then 73 for AES, and cool 60s for Elevance and DuPont. Back to you, Sunny.
Thanks, Chip. That's the signal, folks. Tune in at Data Rains for the next forecast from the DopplerXGB 4000.